Welcome. This is the first Udemy course about Python and the ArcPy package of ESRI or ESRI, where you will learn Python scripting to run geoprocessing analysis and data management. My name is Ahmed Abu Ruzaiza. I'm a PhD candidate in the Geography and Geoinformation Science Department at George Mason University, Fairfax, Virginia, USA. I've been working closely with Dr. Michael Goodchild since my advisor was one of his PhD students. And in my master's degree, Dr. Daniel Ames, the MapWindow open source GIS team leader, was my advisor. I also was accepted at the NASA Develop National Program as a geospatial consultant and a co-team lead. I have 13 years of experience in different geospatial technologies, programming environments, web mapping APIs, and web technologies. I worked in geospatial-related jobs in both the academic and the business world. GIS technology is integrating in more and more fields such as engineering, economics, urban planning, environmental sciences, business, data sciences, data mining, big data, biology, history, aviation, intelligence, you name it. I found many job post titles without the word GIS or geospatial in it and still require ArcGIS and ArcPy experience. Jobs such as data analyst, data scientist, engineer specialist, database analyst, database programmer, and other titles. So you should know, if you want to become a GIS professional or if your job will be involved in some GIS, that programming will significantly increase your salary. This is a comparison from Indeed.com between the salaries of GIS analysts versus GIS developers. As you can see from the numbers, it can reach 50% increase in salary. Programming gives you the power to be more productive, more creative, and able to automate and expedite the workflow routine of your everyday's job tasks. In this course, I do not assume that you are familiar with Python or programming. I'm going to start from the beginner's level, teaching you the programming fundamentals and essentials using the Python programming language. Also, I'm not going to dig deep in Python. I will explain to you what you need in order to start working on ArcPy. I would like to mention that I'm also preparing an advanced ArcPy course that will be available soon in Udemy. Back to this course. The first section will cover variables, conditional statements, loops, and lists. The second section will cover more programming essentials for ArcPy, functions, reading from CSV and TXT files, and object-oriented programming concepts. The third section, which is the longest, you will dive into ESRI's ArcPy package through their wonderful documentation. You will learn how to access and modify different objects, such as the MXD document, the data frame, and the layers. Another thing you will learn is how to run geospatial analysis tools, such as buffer, intersect, and clip. You also will understand the copy and merge. Those are two tools from the Geospatial Data Management Toolbox available in ArcPy. This is my YouTube channel, Tips for GIS, where you can find learning materials in various geospatial technologies and data manipulation. You can watch videos in the channel to check my teaching capability and my experience in geospatial technologies. You can subscribe to this channel to be notified about my new upcoming Udemy courses. So again, welcome to the first Python and ArcPy course in Udemy.